Italy's Mount Etna spewed red fiery lava. Red-hot lava flows downwards and smoke billows from Mount Etna on the east coast of Sicily, Italy, in a stunning display last week. Italian authorities issued a yellow warning after red-hot lava gushed at night from Mount Etna, Europe's highest active volcano. Footage showing lava and plumes of smoke billowing into the night sky. Lava can be seen flowing down Mount Etna, giving it a stunning view. Europe's highest active volcano, Mount Etna, looks stunning with hot lava and plumes of smoke spewing meters into the sky and red lava pouring down the mountain, towards the Lion Valley. The nearly 11,000-foot-high Mount Etna last erupted in February this year. After the cataclysmic eruption, a bolt of volcanic lightning was seen in the sky on the eastern side of Sicily. Video shows the night sky blazing with explosions and bright red molten lava. It is one of the most active volcanoes in Europe, and volcanic lightning strikes were witnessed last year and 2015. Volcanic plumes can reach very high altitudes and can damage the human respiratory system and can trigger asthma. Mount Etna, which grew 100 feet last year, is believed to be an underwater volcano that emerged above sea level from solidified lava after several eruptions. Lava flowing over the mountain's surface dates back 300,000 years.